And hey guys, and welcome. I'm over here today at Epcot. I'm actually getting ready to take a ride from the monorail over here to the Magic Kingdom, guys. Alright, we're leaving Epcot right now, so when you get on the monorail, you can either get on over at Epcot, the Magic Kingdom, or the Ticketing and Transportation Center there. We're actually leaving Epcot. This is a video we've been getting asked a lot about, so we're finally over here getting this thing posted, and I'm here by myself actually, and Morgan and Marley will be back off the vacation real soon. And as you guys are leaving, you can see the Guardians of the Galaxy ride over there, that bluish building blending into the clouds. You can see we're on Monorail Orange, and in the distance there you've got Spaceship Earth, or the Epcot Ball as most people know it as. This is some of their parking. So this is actually a convenient way to get from over at Epcot all the way over to the Magic Kingdom. If you guys don't want to drive your car, there's different means you can get around, but this is one of the only ones you're going to get from the Magic Kingdom over here without the car. You can take the busing, but it's going to take a little longer. The only downside to this monorail ride is the scenery isn't as nice as the monorail loop from the Magic Kingdom. You've got the Contemporary, the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian. So this one here is a lot of trees, a lot of waterways, a lot of cars. But at least today it's a nice day, so you get a little bit of view out there instead of having it lousy out there. It's nice and sunny out. As you can see, the parking lot's a little smaller. It's a little slower here, a little slower than usual. Even the roads are a little bit more empty than usual. And this is about an 8-mile run. So this is going to go from Epcot all the way over to the Ticketing and Transportation Center. And there you're going to get off the monorail and either go out to your car, or you're going to jump on another monorail. You're going to get off this one and then go down and back up the ramp, or sometimes they'll let you cut right across the center. You're going to hop on a different monorail, and that'll take you over to the Magic Kingdom. In the distance there, you guys can see the Swan and Dolphin Swan Reserve. That's a nice picture right there. But as I said, you don't really see much. You got this solar field here. They've been putting some of them in lately. But mainly it travels along the roads. You get to see the woods and the roads and stuff like that. It'd be nice, I'd say time and time again, if they had a little more decor along the way of these routes. Whether it's the Skyliner or the monorail, it's always nice to see all the Disney theme things down below or in front of you or behind you, instead of just seeing roadways and stuff like that. But at least it's a way of getting from point A to point B. If you guys are driving these transportation methods, I do recommend paying attention to the timing you're getting onto them. If it's your only means of transportation, then there's really nothing you can do. But after the parades, these monorails are loaded. Anytime in the morning when people are going into the parks, they are loaded. So definitely choose when you want to get on and off. If you're there for the fireworks, you know, if you're not staying to the very end and you can get out front, jump on quickly. Otherwise, these lines can be just humongous. But today we got no lines, so it makes it easier. So we're going to do the old run over there quick. I've had a couple of these filmed in the past, but whether it was the weather or the decals on the outside of the monorails, they just weren't coming out that good, so we weren't going to waste our time posting them. So we got a pretty clean run today, so we're going to see how these turn out and get them posted out there for you guys. And we'll also get the other route going backwards from the Magic Kingdom over to Epcot, because that's part of what somebody actually requested from us. A lot of the transportation is big requested items. I'm not really sure why. Maybe people want to see what they're in for when they come here, or you know what to expect. But you know, if you guys got comments below, you want us to film stuff, feel free, leave it in the comments, and as we get the ability to post it, we will. And you can see we just went by the Magic Kingdom entrance area there. We're to welcome to Walt Disney World, Magic Kingdom area. We're heading up right now. We're actually en route towards the Magic Kingdom slash the Wilderness Lodge, the Wilderness Lodge and campgrounds. So both of those are in this given area, and we're actually heading over to the Polynesian and Grand Floridian. So you're not going to be able to access any of that from this monorail. You're going to have to definitely get out at the Transportation and Ticketing Center. If you guys are looking to get to any of the resorts up here, like the Contemporary, Bay Lake, Polynesian, the Wilderness Lodge, you are going to have to get off the monorail, and you're going to have to either jump in your car or jump into busing. That's actually over at the Magic Kingdom. If you transfer to the second monorail, it'll bring you over to the Magic Kingdom, and you can jump on busing. Otherwise, you're going to get off over here at the Transportation and Ticketing area. That's one of the trams that's going to take you from your car up to the entrance, up to where you're going to be needing to get out today. So if you guys are parked way out, they do have the trams that'll come and get you, which is nice. And they'll bring you up to where the monorails and stuff are. You'll get off of, get out of the car and get off the tram and walk right over to the monorail. And if you guys haven't paid to get in, you'll stop at the ticketing counters and pay there. But this is a look at what we're getting ready to disembark into.
And we're making our final approach into the Transportation and Ticket Center.
As you guys come in, you can see all the ticketing counters down there. That's where you're actually going to pay to get in. Otherwise, you're going to just get off the monorail and either walk out to the car or jump on another monorail. And that's going to take you over to the Magic Kingdom loop, which is the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian, Contemporary, Bay Lake. But other than that, this is the Epcot monorail over to the Transportation Center, guys. We'll see you on the next one in a few.